Understanding WordBinary's Similarity and Plagiarism report. In this video, we will break down how to read your report, interpret the results, and ensure your submission is academically safe. Let's start with the basics of how similarity is analyzed. This is your similarity report summary. Here, you can see key metrics such as total word count, analyzed sentences, matched content, and your final similarity percentage. The final assessment categorizes your work into low, moderate, or high similarity. This gives you a quick snapshot of your document before diving deeper at ED. In this example, a similarity score of 50.71% has been detected. The highlighted sections in your document indicate matched content from external sources. Red highlights show strong similarity or direct copying. Orange indicates moderate paraphrasing. Yellow represents weaker but still noticeable similarity. A high similarity score means your content may not be safe for academic submission. Here, you can see how the matched content appears directly within your document. Large portions highlighted in red indicate significant overlap with existing sources. This level of similarity can lead to serious academic consequences if not corrected. It is essential to revise, paraphrase, and properly cite all reference material. To ensure a safe academic submission, always keep your similarity percentage below 10%. Maintaining low similarity helps ensure originality, credibility, and academic integrity. Avoid direct copying, write in your own words, and always cite your sources correctly. Aim for originality. Aim for less than 10%. Submit your work with confidence. Use WordBinary before submission to check, improve, and ensure your work is safe.